Tabby and I kicked off the new year of 2026 with a touch of devotion, and thus we were drawn to the famous Bhuleshwar Temple of Yevad. We parked our car at the base of the hill and walked up the steep rocky road. The temple's construction spans centuries, with no single builder or architect named in records. The Pandavas, Rashtrakutas, Yadava, Yahachaji, Devagiri dynasty, and Peshwas are credited for constructing this temple. The main gate is called Gaimukhi, symbolizing a cow-faced protective entry around the mandapa and walls. Intricate sculptures of apsaras and gandharvas appear frozen mid-dance, with tiny details like jewelry, anklets, and musical instruments still visible in the stone narrative panels depict epic moments from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. From Ram chasing the golden deer to Bhishma lying on the bed of arrows, and even the cosmic Samudra Manthan scene. A huge Nandi overlooks the main Shivling, which we couldn't record as it's forbidden. The temple's corridors are known for dramatic light and shadow, which photographers and videographers love. Shafts of light fall through carved openings, highlighting sculptures along the aisle around the sanctum inner sanctum walls depict cosmic themes. Sabha Mandap, outer hall, shows Mrutyuloka, earthly realm, with epic scenes, while Garbhagriha represents Swargaloka, heaven, with celestial dances. Historical records and local traditions indicate the temple was attacked and damaged during Mughal invasions, including during Aurangzeb's rule, with many sculptures defaced and the original Shikara destroyed. The complex spans 3 floors, but the bottom 2 floors remain mysteriously closed and inaccessible, fueling speculation about hidden chambers or ancient secrets beneath the sanctum. The architecture blends Hemadpanthi style, original Yadava-era black basalt inner walls, with Nagara spires, bulbous ribbed domes with Islamic influences, where the outer lime gypsum layer hides the Hindu core. The temple is built in black basalt, different from the surrounding brownish rock, and the architecture blends Hemadpanthi style, original Yadava-era black basalt inner walls, with Nagara spires, bulbous ribbed domes with Islamic influences. Mahashivratri features all-night Jagran vigils with bhajans, kirtans, and Rudrabhishek, while during Shravan month, devotees fast, offer bilva leaves, and participate in daily abhishekam. Secret underground passages exist within the hill fort walls, likely built for defense during invasions. Some locals claim they connect to nearby hills. Thank you, and see you in another adventure. Please like and subscribe.